Buying a car is a big investment, and the last thing you want is to make the wrong choice. But what if you could get a car for under $5,000 that runs flawlessly for years and costs almost nothing to maintain? Backed by real-world data and expert reviews, these are 12 cheap cars that simply never break down, and they prove you don't have to spend big to drive smart. Number 12. Toyota RAV4, 2001 to 2005. Here we have a Toyota SUV that just won't quit. The Toyota RAV4 from the 2001 to 2005 generation. If you want a compact SUV with Corolla-level reliability, this is it. You get Toyota's bulletproof engineering, a higher driving position, and available all-wheel drive, all while keeping maintenance costs low. Under the hood, you'll find either a 2.0-liter or 2.4-liter engine, both known for lasting 200,000+ miles with regular oil changes. The automatic transmission issue on early models was fixed with a software update, so as long as it's been done, there's nothing major to worry about. Number 11. Pontiac Vibe, 2003 to 2008. At number 11 is a car that delivers Toyota reliability with a Pontiac badge. The 2003 to 2008 Pontiac Vibe. It's literally a Toyota Matrix in disguise, which means you're getting Corolla-level dependability in a fuel-efficient and spacious hatchback, all for under $5,000. Under the hood, you get Toyota's legendary 1.8-liter engine, the same one found in the Corolla. Owners have reported these lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Many owners claim they hit 35 to 38 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most practical budget cars out there. Number 10. Next, a luxury car that refuses to break down, the Lexus ES 300/330. If you've ever wanted a Lexus-level ride for Toyota-level prices, this is it. Built on the same platform as the Camry, the 2002 through 2006 models deliver Lexus comfort with Toyota's legendary reliability, and you can still find them for under $5,000. Under the hood, you get a 3.0-liter or 3.3-liter V6 engine known to last well over 200,000 miles. Repair costs are surprisingly low for a luxury car, just $468 per year. And because it shares parts with Toyota, repairs are far cheaper than any German luxury sedan from the same era. Number 9, here's a car that proves you don't have to choose between reliability and fun, the Mazda 3. While most compact cars in this price range are practical and predictable, the Mazda 3 brings extra excitement without sacrificing dependability. From 2004 to 2013, both the first and second generations of this compact have earned a solid reputation. You'll find these for well under $5,000, and they've got one of the highest reliability scores in their class. The 2.0-liter and 2.3-liter engines are known to easily hit 150,000+ miles, and if you keep up with oil changes, they just keep going. At number 8, we've got a midsize SUV that's built to last, the Toyota Highlander. It's got Toyota's legendary reliability, a smooth V6, and enough room for the whole family. Plus, it's basically a Camry in disguise, meaning you get a ride that's far more comfortable than most rugged SUVs of its time. Early models from 2001 to 2007 have become incredibly affordable, often slipping under $5,000. And here's the best part. Many of these Highlanders easily hit 200,000+ miles with simple maintenance. The only real concern is that some V6 models had minor oil sludge issues, but that's only if previous owners neglected oil changes. Next up is the Honda Civic, a car that's practically built to outlast everything else on the road. These cars are known for their exceptional reliability and fuel efficiency. While newer Civics cost over $25,000, you can still find these models under $5,000. And here's why that's a solid deal. The 1.8-liter engine in these Civics is engineered for longevity, with many owners easily crossing 200,000 miles without major issues. It ranks third out of 36 compact cars for reliability, with an average repair cost of $368 annually. Aside from its durability, this Civic delivers 36 miles per gallon highway, making it an excellent commuter car. Next, here's a luxury sedan that proves you don't have to spend big to ride in style, the Lincoln MKZ. You can find early 2010s models in great shape under $5,000, offering leather seats, heated and cooled front seats, and a premium sound system. It's not just about comfort. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 263 horsepower, hitting 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Fuel efficiency is up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This is one of the best deals in the used luxury car market. At number 5, we have a rugged SUV that refuses to quit, the Toyota 4Runner. If you need an SUV that can handle anything, this is it. The 3rd generation and early 4th gen models are among the toughest vehicles Toyota has ever made. These things don't just last 200,000 miles. They keep going past 300K with ease. Whether it's the bulletproof 3.4-liter V6 in the older models or the 4.0-liter V6 introduced in 2003, these engines have proven themselves. Next, here is a subcompact car that's shockingly practical and built to last, the Honda Fit. While most small cars compromise on durability, the 2007 to 2013 models have proven to be some of the most reliable budget-friendly hatchbacks, and you can still find them under $5,000. The 1.5-liter engine is built to go 200,000 miles or more with just basic maintenance. What makes the Fit truly stand out is its Magic Seat system, allowing for up to 57.3 cubic feet of cargo space. At number 3 is a full-size sedan that delivers Lexus-level durability without the Lexus price tag, the Toyota Avalon. While newer models push well past $40,000, the 2000 to 2005 models can still be found under $5,000, offering an unbeatable mix of power, comfort, and reliability. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter V6 engine is one of Toyota's most bulletproof powertrains, often running 250,000 miles or more. Unlike most large sedans, the Avalon keeps repair costs low, averaging $463 per year and ranking 3rd out of 12 in its class for reliability. At number 2, the Toyota Prius. Ranging from 2004 to 2009, it not only revolutionized fuel economy, but also proved hybrids could be rock-solid reliable. There are Prius taxis with 600,000 miles still running on their original hybrid batteries. For under $5,000, you can grab a Prius with around 150,000 to 180,000 miles. And that's barely middle-aged for these things. Owners routinely push them past 250,000 miles with minimal issues. And with 45 to 50 miles per gallon, you'll be saving on fuel every time you drive. And finally, at number 1, we have a car so reliable that taxi drivers and commuters swear by it, the Toyota Corolla. This thing is practically immortal. While a brand new Corolla will cost you over $22,000, you can grab one of these 2003 to 2008 models for under $5,000. And here's why that's a steal. The 1.8-liter engine is built to last, easily pushing past 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. Consumer Reports ranks these models among the most reliable cars ever made, and they're dirt cheap to maintain, just $362 per year on average. It's one of the smartest, safest bets in the used car world. Now that you've seen the 17 most reliable cars under $5,000, don't miss what's happening in the used car market. Dealers are quietly trying to get rid of certain models fast, and some of them are absolute steals.